What's up, my brother? Allow me to introduce you to your new Murphy Lab, aged 68. Actually made it back in time, so me and Tino are going to tag team this thing. But yeah, she's in that relic condition. So not much to show off here, just that she is relict and wonderfully. I barely played it since the listing, so showed it to a few interested buyers, but nobody pulled the trigger. You know, it's kind of a expensive guitar for sure. No fret wear at all. COA case candy is in here. All the goods. Of course, what we're going to do is separate the strings from the frets. We will provide some extra support on this headstock. We're going to remove this guy too and put him in the container here. We're going to wrap her up completely in bubble wrap. And then my boy Tino here is going to drop her in this brand new box right here. No marks, no blemishes, never been used, so the UPS takes very good care. I'm going to get on that now.
Hey, how's it going? Tino here. Just want to show you that your guitar is safe. Here she is inside of there. Nice, packed up, ready to go. Packing materials coming all the way up. But yeah, we did as we said, and we separated all the strings from the frets, and we protected the headstock, and but yeah, she is going to be safe and good to go. I'm going to go ahead and get her packed up completely, get this all taped up, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, there you go. Your guitar is good to go. She is packed and safe in here. She will be heading your way. So thanks again. We just want to put good instruments in the hands of good people, that the world will be filled with good music. Have a great day.